our 60-inch canopy kitchen hood. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 60 inches, a height of 24 inches, and a depth of 47¼ inches tall. Interior dimensions for the hood will include 30 inches in height, by 60 inches in length. Included will be 3 removable oil filter grease traps. These can be removed and reinserted onto the track. Measurements for the oil filter grease trap will include 15 3/4 inches in length, also by 15 3/4 inches in height. The thickness of the grease trap will be 1 3/4 inches in thickness. Located on the side will be the NSF certification and is compliant with the American Health Department. This applies for every single grease trap that will be included with the hoods that we sell. Located on the top center will be the NSF and UL certified light bulb with the NSF certification and UL indicated on the sticker. Coming to the left lower column will be the removable oil grease trap and can be reinserted onto the 2 bolts that will hold the grease trap. Each oil pan is NSF approved, stamped located in the back of the pan. And for the dimensions for the interior of the pan will include 3 7/16 in length, 6 1/8 inches in depth, by 4 inches in height. Measurements apply for every single pan that will be included for the hoods that we sell. Coming to the back of the hood will be the lamp base that's holding the bulb on the other side of the hood, along with the removable bracket. Bracket is held in by 2 screws, and the lamp base will measure 3 3/4 inches in height by 3 3/4 inches in length. Located towards the bottom will be the air gap. Measurements for the air gap will include 16 inches in length by 12 inches in height. The opening of the air gap will include 14 inches in length by 10 inches in height. Thickness of the bracket or the frame of the air gap will be 4 inches. Located on the top and lower left and right columns will be the brackets. Each bracket will measure 2.5 inches in length, 2.5 inches in height, for an opening of 3 inches. Between the lamp base will be the left and right columns. Each column will measure 9 inches in height by 27 inches in length. Measurements apply for the left and right column, with the bottom measuring 15 3/4 inches in height by 27 inches in length. Measurements apply for the left and right column. Located on the corner is the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.